Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about microstructures of carbon steels. What is the primary phase present in the microstructure of carbon steels at room temperature? A. Austenite. B. Martensite. C. Pyrite. D. Cementite. E. Bainite. The correct answer is C. Ferrite. Which microconstituent in carbon steels is a mixture of ferrite and cementite? A. Austenite. B. Perlite. C. Martensite. D. Bainite. A. Leadberite. The correct answer is B. Perlite. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the carbon content of eutectoid steel? A. 0.025%. B. 0.77%. C. 2.4%. D. 4.3%. E. 6.67%. The correct answer is B. 0.77%. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.